Of course we are going to need, close this, we are going to need, guys, and Postman. Open the Postman. If you don't have Postman, just download in order to help us work, because we don't have the front end right now. Go and download the, just write download Postman. Alright, and I'm just gonna create here a root, or I'm just gonna take, let me see, copy this, control copy, we need here, I'm just going to deal first of all with a register. Alright, we need post, because then we need to go in the body, a row, of course JSON here. Let's right now create, okay, we need, let me see, don't remember the, we need user model, we got name, email, password. Alright, name, alright, let's write, I'm just gonna write my name, email, just write something, for example, let's say Audi. Alright, after this, let's put a password, just gonna put a specific password. Alright, after this, guys, we need to create, go in user root, let's use a try catch from now. Come on, why? Try catch, okay, I'm just gonna, because if there is a reason, I want to throw the reason in the catch. So if, before working with the if, let's write a const name, email, and password, alright, equal with rec.body. Alright, after this, let's go and write if not name or mail or not password, what we want to happen? We want to return rest.status, okay, 400, let's see, .json, let's put msg, I'm just gonna put here, please fill all the fields. Alright, alright, let's try else what we want. For example, else we want the rest.json, let's write msg success. Alright, let's see step by step what happened here. I'm gonna make it, let's go with the postman right now, guys. Alright, so right now we have some things. If I just don't put anything and just press, look, please fill all the fields. Alright, we got the exact. Please fill all the fields because it is empty. Okay, we say if not name, not email, not password, it's empty. So for this reason, if I put something, for example, blah blah, look, also it says the same thing. If I put something else, let's say blah blah blah, again the same thing. But if I press this, look, because we filled everything right now, we go to the next movement, success. Of course, we don't want to create success. I'm just gonna create right now. Let me see. OD. All right. Just right here. One. Cool. Let's move on. After this, what we need? We need, let's say, if. Let's create again the if. I'm just gonna copy, guys. Control copy if. I'm just gonna say right now, if password dot length, okay, is equal or smaller than 3, what we going to happen? Return. I'm gonna write here, password must have at least 3 characters. Okay, the equal is not so correct, I believe. Okay, let's try. Let's give it a try. Alright, now we will have success. If I put 2 characters, look, password must have at least 3 characters. Okay, if it has 3, okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna put 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. After this, we want to find someone by the email. So, const user equal await. Because we use await, we need also the async here. Alright. User schema, we need user schema dot find, we need to find one, and of course we need the email, someone by the email. Alright, right now if user, what we need to return rest dot status, alright, 400.json is gonna be user, let's write user already exists. Okay, right now we haven't saved something. Alright, so we will not have this user already exists because we haven't saved something in the MongoDB. Let's continue. Right now it's time to create a salt. Okay, we need a wait because we sent something. We are gonna use bcrypt. Okay, or you know guys, I'm just gonna show you something right now before using pcrypt. Alright, let's make const new user equal with await. We need of course await again because we are going to send new user schema. And what we need here, we need to send the name, the email, and the password. Alright, now we need to new, you know guys, let me see, I don't want to save it. Let's try something else. res.json, I'm gonna put new new user, right? Let's try. Okay, we got this user right now. If I send it, look, we got the password of the new user. Okay, we got the email, we got the name. By default, when we create something, automatically an ID is going to be created. Alright, especially when we save it on MongoDB. I haven't saved right now on MongoDB. Okay, if I try to send it again, of course we will not see the banner here, user already exists, because we haven't saved it yet on MongoDB. So, as I told you previously, we don't want to see the same someone to see the password. Okay, for this reason we are going to encrypt it with let's see, and we are going to use for the bcrypt. So here, go and just write const salt equal await. Alright, we need to bring bcrypt, alright, dot gen salt. Let's put 10. After this, let me see, const, let's say password hashed is the new password that we create with encryption, equal with await bcrypt, okay, dot hash. We need to hash this password. So password, we need the previous password that we gave and the salt, the new that is gonna be created. Alright, and look right now what is gonna happen. If I just put here the password hashed and try to send again with Mongo, if I send again, you will see a very big password here. Let's send. Look, we got a very big password. Of course, behind the hood, it's the password. In order to verify that this is the correct password, the password that you have. Behind the hood, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but no one can see and understand this right now. Okay, let's try and save it, guys. I want to finish with this. Right, so new user dot save with this. Okay, with the save, we save it on MongoDB. We say go and go with a save, we tell go and save all these things in MongoDB. Alright, I'm just gonna press right now. Cool. And look what now. How we know what this has been saved on MongoDB. If I press again, I'm just going to see the user already exists. Let's see. User already exists. It has been saved on MongoDB. Let's go on Mongo right now. Alright. Mongo. I know, guys, I'm moving slowly. The reason is because I want to explain as clear as I can in order to understand it. In the past I had the same problems because some tutorial wasn't so clear, so good for understanding. Let's go on MongoDB right now. Okay, we got in collections. Let's see our collections. Okay, we got the users. Look right now, it's the OD Gmail, and the big password. Okay, and as I told you, MongoDB generates a specific ID. Alright. After this, guys, let's go and deal with a register.